In this video, let us understand how to set the path variable. First of all, why path variable? So you require a path variable to execute pip command, or you want to execute Python in the command prompt. You require a path variable has to be set properly in a Windows. So particularly we talk about Windows 10. So now let us check it out how to do this. So now to set the path, so you go to the, so if you have my PC, you select that one. So here is not there. So you can check it out in Explorer, File Explorer. So this PC, here is a PC. Okay, probably this icon may be there on desktop sometime. From there also you can select. Otherwise, right click on this PC. Then you have to go to Properties. Right click on this PC, then you have to go to Properties. So in a Properties window, you can see that Windows 10. Right, here is Advanced System Settings. So click on Advanced Settings. Then we'll have a System Properties. In a System Properties, you have to select Environment Variables. You have to select Environment Variables. Click on Environment Variables. Then you can see that user variable for CSC. So this is a user. Okay, your username is there here. Fine. So here you may see path, or there is not a path here. Okay, so it may not be there. It is not there, then you have to click new. So type path here, then variable value. Now here you have to give the path. Where is your Python is installed? So if you not yet installed the Python, we have a videos. So please watch that video. If you already installed the Python, then you need to find out where you are installed the Python. I'll just show you the video where it is. Fine, this is our channel. So Highblix tutorials. So you not yet subscribed, please subscribe here. If you scroll down, so here you can see that Python installation. Okay, there is a video. You can click on this video to watch how to install. So in 3.9 there is an option to add path. So you can easily add the path. So if it not yet done, so no problem. So I'll show you like how to do this. So then go to File Explorer again. So where you are installed, so probably install in C drive. So go to C drive. So if it's in program files, you have to go to program files. Here we are installed outside the program files, so therefore it is a Python 3.9. Okay, and you can see that python.exe it's available here. So you have to copy this. Okay, so earlier we have a window to enter this. You paste it over there, semicolon, and you require one more folder because pip you required, right? So for pip you need to script actually. So double click script, you can see that pip. Okay, so you want to install additional programs, you require a pip, therefore you need this folder also. So copy this folder. Fine, so you can come back and then paste, and now you have to click OK. Click OK. So to create this. So in case if you already have the path but this path is not there, Python path is not there, then what you have to do is, so instead of this you have to go to path, you have to edit it here, then you have to edit this path. Okay, so edit text, right? So here you need to paste. So paste both the path. One is C Python and the C Python script. So that you need to exactly find out where it is. If some other paths are there, don't need to worry, let it be there as it is. So this is how you can set the path, and once you set the path, you can able to run Python from the command prompt. If you go to command prompt, so you type Python, so you can see that you can able to run the Python. It's working fine now. So this is how you can set the path and you can able to run the Python from the command prompt. Thank you.